Hey, this is Mr. Mola for the 4.6 puzzle time. So the joke for this one is, what do you get when you cross a centipede with a parrot? So this is all about arithmetic sequence, and if you remember from the lesson, our formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub 1. Remember, that means the first number, plus, and then we have in parentheses, n minus 1. And remember, n is the number we're looking for. And then kind of the tricky part here, no idea why the D is at the end of the parentheses, but it's at the end of the parentheses. So it's times the difference. Okay. So if we do that formula, you can pretty much tell what any number is going to be. And remember, you can always do this the long way and keep hitting, plus 2 or plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 until it gets there. But some of these problems that, ask for the 54th term, you're not going to want to do that the whole time. So here it says write the next 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So my first number is 4, and it wants the next 3. And it says the common difference is 9, so that means we're adding 9. So then our next 3 are going to be 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 9 again is 22, and plus 9 again is 31. So that looks like it is letter E, 13, 22, 31. All right, same thing with number 2 here. It says my first term is 22, and it says the common difference is subtracting 8 or negative 8, so that means I have to go down now. So minus 8, I get 14. Minus 8 again, I get 6. And then minus 8 again, I get negative 2, which is letter A right there. Okay, no difference on 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are all going to be the same. And then 7 through 12 is when we want to start using that formula, because now we're looking for the 12th term. Okay, so again, just like on number 7, I could just be adding 2 each time. Here's the first number, here's the second number, here's the third number, here's the fourth number. I could do that 8 more times until I get to the 12th number, but let's just use this equation up here. So I have a sub 1, so which would be 2, plus n, and they're telling me I'm looking for the 12th term, and then times the difference, and the difference of each of these is adding 2, so plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay, so we could probably do some of this in our heads here. So 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So letter I there. So the 12th term would be 24. Okay, let's do number 10 as well. So it looks like I'm starting with negative 7 as my first term. Same thing, I'm looking for the 12th term, so 12 minus 1. And then now here it looks like I'm subtracting 2 each time, so it's going to be a negative 2 there. So same steps, 12 minus 1 is 11, times a negative 2 there. So that gives me a negative 22, and then negative 7 plus negative 22 is letter L there, negative 29. Okay, so as long as you have that formula, and even if you don't, it just might take you a little longer to figure it out. But remember, arithmetic sequence has to be an adding and subtracting pattern. So as long as you're getting an adding and subtracting pattern, you should be good there. So the answer to the joke, what do you get when you cross a centipede with a parrot? You get a walkie-talkie.